rained a lot last night, I think all night long. Now we're going to do some packing to do a portage at the dam of Jamestone.
Have a good day.
Bye bye. What's for dinner? Well, I mean lunch.
What's for lunch? Pasta and fish, thanks to Carol. We got 2 of her perch, 2 medium-sized perch. We let a lot of small ones go, and most of the big ones. So I'll make some pasta now, boiling water, and then I'll clean the fish, and we'll start that after the pasta's done.
Cool.
If we're not interrupted by the cows.
Okay.
It's kind of a windy, cool day, a little wet, but not so bad. I'm ready for some warm food. Not the sharpest knife in the world, but fillet today because we're cooking over a small bush buddy stove. We only have the pan. If we had a campfire, we'd leave them home. But your noodles are boiling.
Mm-hmm.
And for our friends who always ask us why we throw everything back, we don't throw everything back. Well, these are probably the first two that we haven't. Little pepper, little salt, that's it. Just, okay. Olive oil. Make sure they're greased on the bottom, greased on the top. They don't need it. They'll be good. And this one should only take a moment. We have to thank Carol.
You're welcome.
She caught everything this morning.
I was the only one fishing. You were paddling.
That's why.
Yeah.
Come on, a little bit. That'll work. Oh, it's gonna be done in just a moment. It's already getting firm.
Well, we're now in off Boderg. The wind is pretty bad, but if you pick the right coast, you are okay. Hello, Jess.
Hello, hello. I think we've had a headwind since we started this trip. It's either no wind or straight in your face the whole time.
A little stop for ice cream. So as you can see, it's raining. Yep. And we had a very nice guy. The lockkeeper who let us in. Without that, it would have been a portage.
Thank you very much.
Thank you! It's our first lock.
It's our first lock. Okay. Thank you. Have a good evening.
Jesse is going friendly with our neighbor for the night. He's drinking your beer. And now this one was like, I want food. Oh, great. We have like what, 6 horses running and
Don't. Okay, dude. You guys are walking right where I want to up at home.
that's going to be a fun night.
Well, Carol and I had a very eventful day. Started out this morning, waking up next to a cemetery in the rain, and we got around, portaged a couple hundred meters, and then started on a non-navigable part of the Shannon out of Jamestown. Great fishing. Carol caught a few perch in the beginning, and then we seen a really cool red fox. I think it was a sub-adult. He hung out, was playing, got some nice footage and some photos. Then we kept paddling and fishing, and Carol caught a lot of perch. How many do you think you got? 20, 30?
Something
maybe
like
more?
that, yeah.
Yeah, and some of them were decent. I mean, they were good size. We threw back some really nice big ones, and then at one point, Carol's like, "What do you think about keeping a few?" So we ended up keeping 2 medium-sized ones, and we cooked those up at lunchtime. The wind really picked up out of the south, and we had a headwind all afternoon. Actually, from late morning when we hit that navigable part of the river, all the way until we reached camp here. So we paddled and paddled and paddled all day. And what lock did we go through, Carol?
Doberg.
Loft Dobeg. And then we went to Ruski, went through the lock in Ruski, and it was pouring rain. Luckily, the lock keeper was nice enough to open it up for us and let us through. I know it was just for one little canoe, but it beat trying to carry all of our stuff in the rain. Then we went down a little ways, and in the rain, it was pouring. Decided we needed to find a place, so we found a little cove next to a pasture. And we just set up. There's a few horses here. They were pretty friendly, a little too friendly. We're afraid they're gonna mess with our tent all night or cause problems, step on it, or get into the canoe. So we're just setting up the hammock tonight. A quick tarp. I know it's not the best tarp job. We don't have a lot of rope with us. The canoe's in back, so the horses can't get to it because, like I said, they're pretty inquisitive for the last 40 minutes. Kept wanting to sniff and taste everything. But we're gonna make some food, grill up some maybe quesadilla wraps, something. I don't know what we're gonna do. Have a drink, and ooh, yeah, Carol's gonna make something nice. She found some wild mints, so we'll have some mint chocolate milk before dinner, maybe with some Baileys. So, other than that, we're going to sleep very cozily in a hammock this evening and go from there. It's been a good day. Day 3. Yeah, day 3, full day on the Shannon. So, in Ruski.